Okay. Hello, world. Ohio, actually, it's, well, I guess it wouldn't be, no, it'd be, it's konnichiwa for, Nihon, and konbanwa for me. Almost Ohio. Actually, what time does it switch to Ohio, anyway? Ohio. Alright. So we're just gonna be having some fun. And we're gonna be making like a little fun like little web browser thing, or not web browser, operating system thing. I guess I'll put this in the files too. Pros, random stuff. Yeah. The heck was that? Oh. Alrighty, let's do this. Okay. So I want to start by doing npm init -y and initializing a thing. So we'll just say index.html, and this we'll do a window section here. Width. Let's say like 1920. Height. One man, what up? Yeah, I just figured we'll code a little bit. And just have some fun making like a fake looking operating system. Just kind of. Yeah, does this work? Yes, it does work, but I want it to open on the other display. There we go. Ohio, there we go. Alright, now we're gonna require Airless, what up? How you doing? So yeah, we're gonna be making like a fun fake operating system thing. I don't know how many streams this will continue, or if it's just like a one-liner where I'll end up there's a ditch in the idea you're saying, but I don't know, but I just felt like this would be kind of fun to do. You know, something away from RPG Maker for a bit so I don't get burned out on it. Let's name this system actually. Index.js. Coder symbol, alright. That's TypeScript for this? Nah, I don't feel like doing all that, so we'll just use raw.js. Okay. Module, exports equals nothing right now. Okay, we're gonna need libs. We're gonna make our own little libraries for this. We're gonna need let's say managers, I guess we'll call them. Okay, so in the libraries we're gonna create index.js. Also just like this for a minute here. where do I want to start with? I guess we'll start with boot. No, because that'd be in a manager as well. Alright, so let's leave the libraries alone real quick then. I don't know what I want to start with. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna move you over here. I guess what we can do is, yeah. Let's see. I don't just like want to dive straight on in. Yeah, I was thinking that, like the window manager, but at the same, I don't want to like dive right on in. I want to actually approach this in a somewhat organized manner, and I think that's actually causing me to be unorganized. It is like vastly defeating the purpose of trying to be organized. Okay, you know what? Yeah, let's do it. We'll start with a window library, and then the manager thing will handle managing that said library. Okay. Const window equals require slash window. Wubd. Winder. To the winders. To the wilds. To the not going there. Okay. But yeah, how you doing? How you doing? You spent hours crash coursing arrays and MZ today? It kills your mind so quickly. It does. And it also, like, torments your inner child. Window equals require. Slash is. A window! I already read that. I'm dumb. Yeah, so we'll also be doing a little Octopath Traveler later, before we end the stream as well, because that'd be fun, like we did yesterday. I think like ending my streams off with a little bit of gaming is like a really good, not just arrays, but inner arrays, which, oh gosh, so you're talking like multi-dimensional arrays, so array 0, 1 equals banana, like that, or are you talking like array 5, like something like that? Because that could be even more complex and confusing. I guess that's an interesting way to turn, if you for some reason wanted to like turn multi-dimensional arrays into a single dimension array just by having a reference to it, but we're not going to go there because that is going to destroy my nucleus. Like this array. Yep. Gotcha. Multi-dimensional arrays. So to make your life a lot easier, Airless, you know what? I'll even make this as a library. Array manipulation. Index.js. So what you can do, you know what? I'll zoom in this way. Yeah. Alright, so what you can do is function create multi array, and then you can say the arguments will be like each value. So we can do const array equals that. Wait. Oh yeah, okay. So we can take the numbers. So we do const len equals arguments dot length, and what we can do is we can do this here. We're gonna use the eval system, so we're gonna say eval window.temp array equals, and then we'll do, this is a little bit complex, but it would make your life a lot easier in the end. So we'll do that dot repeat. Yeah. Yeah, so we're gonna have to do a squiggly, and then we'll do repeat. Len dot replace okay, yeah. Okay, here's what we'll do. This is interesting. This is a fun little thing. As per usual, Airless, thank you for like suggesting. Well, not that you suggested it, but yeah, as per usual, like I enjoy like whatever Airless has to like code. All right, so what we're gonna do then? We're gonna say const default string equals that, and then we'll say for let I equals 0, I is less than len I plus plus. And we'll do default string, this needs to be a bar, plus equals hooker. Sorry, I had to get my daily hooker in. Okay, default string plus equals, and this would be arguments I. You're hooked? I see what you did there. Nice. So this is going to allow us to create any area. I'll show you how it works though in a minute. But and then we're going to do eval default string. And then we'll say const result array equals window.temp array. We'll say like that. Can we do it like that? Object.create. Let's try this first, and then window.temp array. Delete window.temp array. Return results array. Alright, let's see if this works. Create. Okay. Const my array thing equals create multi-array. Let's say like it's a 3x3x3. So it's a 3-dimensional array with each. It's a mat3 basically. Oh yeah, window's not going to be defined. Duh. It would normally. Alright then, I was hoping we can speed it up, but I guess you can't do an area that way. Dang it. Okay. No, that's fine. Alrighty, you have a good day at work, Airless. Alright, I'm gonna try and figure this array thing out real quick, because, yeah, I feel like that'd be interesting. So, okay, we can't do a quick method. Maybe we can. Hold on. Yeah, see, that works. So why in the world? Why can you not do that? I feel like you should be able to do that. Like, does that really not work? Hold on. That's interesting if that doesn't work. Huh. Alright, then we'll just do it the long way. You can iterate through the arguments that way, right? You should be able to. Yeah. Okay. Okay, yeah. Okay, this is interesting. I have an idea, though. I'm just gonna call it cheat. Array. Yeah, okay, there we go. We'll say, finally you caught up. That's good. Alright, you know, I'll do the array thing later. I don't want to get like too sidetracked, and I know that's going to take time, even though I'm very, very interested in it, and I want so desperately to friggin', yeah, to do that, but that's okay. So yeah, we're going to be making like a fun little operating system thing, and let's class floating window. Yep, it's gonna be kind of fun, just like a little project to pass the time, something away from RPG Maker, so I don't get burnt out of it. Okay, so what are we gonna need? We're gonna need constructor. We're gonna have Like I said, it's just for the fun of it. I want something to do that's not like RPG Maker, so I don't get burnt out of it. But like, I still want to keep my mind active at the same time, and I still want to have to like think about stuff. And I thought it could be fun to do the operating system thing. Besides, who knows? I might actually be able to incorporate something from this, like for example, a panel, like here. It'd be kind of interesting if I can. The heck did I just do? I think I deleted something. Alright, there we go. Well, I'll fix that later. But yeah, it's gonna be really cool. But for now, I'm just doing HTML and JavaScript stuff. I'm not in, like, I do plan on making like a real panel one day, but make a virus-proof OS that compares itself to a separate copy of itself. I like that. I like that a lot. Although, in order to do that, it would take like a vast amount of internet. Like, imagine the OS itself being like, let's say like a measly 600 zettabytes. No, I'm just playing. Like an altcoin? What's an altcoin? I've been trying in Linux. Yeah, you mean like like your cryptocurrency? No, it would be way different than crypto if you had to like have something compared to itself. As an operating system anyway, because you would have to like check all of the files of it and all that. I've been looking into like how in the world desktop backgrounds are made, right? Like, how do you put the application layer behind here? But there is no information on that at all. Well, that's annoying. Well, that no longer maximizes apparently. Alright, so we have the window title, button mode. Yeah, so we'll say like 0. We have like different modes. Let's make it a text. Make it easier to normal. And then let me JS doc this. Isn't that how you JS doc that? Well, I guess not, but whatever. I'll just do this. That should not be a capital as well. Alright. I'm starting to get more energetic now. Let's do this. Button mode. Okay, so we're gonna have normal button style, title, min, max, close. Let's say like menu. Oh gosh, yes. Do I know CSS? Bruh. Hold on, let me show you something. This is I can't show too much because this is a hot mess right here. I've been cleaning the code up, but yeah. So this is a project that I'm working on as a commission, and like I am mega proud of it so far. Oh, what? Why? Which one am I in? Why? That should not do that. Excuse me? No, hold on. Am I... Do I have to reinstall Electron? You know, it's did this before, too. Hold on. Oh, come on. What are you doing? Yeah, of course document's not defined. It's not... It shouldn't be reading until the dang window pops up, dude. That... None of these should even be processing right now. Alright, you know what? Electron. Okay. npm i-g electron. I'm installing it globally now after this. I want to show you so bad. It has to be the terminal because it's not... Because it was working when I worked on it earlier. Alright, you know what? Okay. Let's open up a different one here. CD slash media. Wait, run slash media. 0 use this folder. CD. Oh gosh, that color scheme. V code. V. Npm start. What is happening, dude? Yes, I know document's not defined. None of this should be happening. Package npm.js. Yeah, dude. And this right here is it loads the browser window, but the browser window doesn't seem to want to open. What? I even installed it globally. Okay, you know what? Let me reinstall Electron entirely, just from the... My Frogger didn't make it. Well, that's the thing though, the package that JSON is right here, it's in the level that I'm at. And, package JSON loads npm.js, and the npm start function loads electron ./npm.js maybe? Like maybe we just gotta force it? No, because that is processing. I know it's processing because the browser window is what actually loads all of this functionality here. So it's trying to create a browser window, but it's not working for some reason. Wait, is it my window manager? Let me go back to GTK real quick. Why? What are you doing? What just happened? Why is it jank all of a sudden? Console.clear. Console.log. What? Look! Yes, but it's trying to run from app pages. This right here does not get processed until the window is loaded. It has to be. Yeah, I know, it's so like, what? It was working earlier, and I haven't touched this file. Let me try, like, just getting rid of the, function that it's trying to... App, pages, scripts, editor, libs. Layer, index 15. What? Hold on. Console.clear log. Repeat 500. Look, it's running all of this. It's opening the browser, but the browser is trying to open it here. Huh? Also, hello Lavender, how you doing? Welcome to the stream. Hope you enjoy your stay. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna do this. indow.slash/app. And I need to make line 9, column 5. Trailing comma not allowed. Uh-huh. Okay. What? Well, whatever. I'll get back to that. But no, I want to show you. No, I have to show you. So I'm gonna show like a little bit of a video, because I always like record my work and stuff. I think it's this one. Like I don't want to. I'm gonna mute the video, of course. Wait, no, that's the RPG Maker. Should be this one. Why do you do this to me? Yeah. Alright, so. Let's see. Here we go. Let me. Let me show you. Come on. I know you're around here somewhere. Alright, so this is how it looks. Hold on. That was when I ran into an error. Hold on. Let me just go to the end, because I know I'd show it near the end here. Okay, hold on. Alright, check this out. Alright. Ready? Watch this. Watch whenever you load it. All of this is mostly CSS and Electron. Of course, it did not. It opened in the wrong freaking thing. So. I want to show you so bad, dude. I don't know why this is doing that. It's not going to work with Node WebKit either. Yeah, I didn't think so. Why? This is dumb. This is actually stupid. Like... No, this is going to trigger the heck out of me. No, I'm taking it slow, but I'm like... I'm baffled. I have no earthly idea why it just decided to botch itself. Has to be because I did some changes to the window manager, dude. Hold on, let me reload the window manager. That might have destroyed OBS there, but I hope not. Alt F4 and reset the case. Could. Why? What is it trying to load that for? Why is it loading this outside of the browser? That doesn't make sense. See, if we... Watch. If we keep... Okay. If this works, I will scream. Huh? It's still trying to load the layer system? What? I got rid of the entire... Yeah, I got rid of the thing that loads the... Huh? What kind of haunted mess is going down right now, dude? Hold on. Is it not saving? Well, I guess it wouldn't be there, but whatever. No freaking what? Huh? Okay, there's no more any window creation going on at all, but it's still trying to load this. Why would that do that? So, look at that. What? Dude, look. I commented out all of the stuff that makes it begin. Okay, no, some actually ghostly, otherworldly thing is going down right now, dude. What? Yeah. Dude. You would think that it's not reading the changes, right? But if that was the case, then when I made changes to the other thing, it wouldn't have console logged when we spanned it with what? And plus, this right here works just fine. What? Hold on. Okay. I hope my drive's not going bad. fs.read file sync. Or, well, I'll just do read file. We'll do app/index dot. We'll just do HTML. Dang it. UTF-8 data. Console.log data. I don't care about catching an error. Okay, right there, it's working. Alright, we were able to read it, and now we're going to get rid of that script entirely. Why is Control F not working? What? Now I can no longer search, apparently. Oh, dude, this is concerning. Anyway, let's get rid of that entirely. Look! It's not loading anything. Why is it trying to load? Hold on. I don't know. It's odd. I can do Control S to save, Control A. I can click it manually. What? Alt F works. Because I can, when you make a change, you have like a little round circle up here, and when you save, it goes away. And, yeah. And plus, I'm reading the changes here as I Control S to save the changes here. Control A works as well. Wait, Control D? Huh? I had to open it with Control D. What? No, only when I select this. Now it doesn't work. Huh? I think it's about time I reinstall my operating system, dude. Holy hooker. Key bindings are off? Well, like, even so, like, even that aside, though, what is going on with this? Like, I'm telling it not to load anything, right? And I even got rid of all the HTML and it output the fact that I changed it. But it's still trying to import run media files from something. But there's nothing here that's telling it to. Look, there's no reference to the layer system, nothing like that. So why is it randomly trying to load this layer system? I know, and that doesn't make sense to me at all. But if it was doing that, then this here wouldn't have changed. Like, it'll, like, what's this? Hold on. I can just get rid of these 4 here. And it still loads until, like, until I get rid of this one. The create default window, even though none of these should do anything. And it still loads? Huh? App when ready then. Okay. But if I delete all of it, it works? Anyway, it was working earlier and I didn't do any changes to it. Why? What is the difference? But if I comment the whole thing out, what is going down with that? What? Maximize close, open project. Is it this? There's no way it can be. No. What is loading? Let me get rid of the... This should throw a different error now. It's not throwing a different error. And the console logs from the layer system here updated. That's a good idea. Clear console.log. I am working. That's not working at all for magic reasons. Neither is create default window. So if neither of these are working, how is it trying to load anything if it doesn't know what to load? This isn't working either. So none of these are working, but if I comment all of them out, nothing works still. Can't be any of these. Yeah, it's not any of those either. I think I just need to like restart. Something real heavy jank went down. Oh no, it's because I changed the way the menu. Okay. Alright. The menu here is the culprit. Because there we go. Mine? Okay, I was gonna say. So yeah, here's how it looks. You can select the map and all that. You have like this fancy stuff. You can rearrange stuff. You got like a little file browser here. That's why, you know, I know it'd be fun if we just like made a little bit of like a little fake operating system thing. You got your layer systems here. You can make new and all that. You can also rearrange the layers if you want. So it was because originally I was using Electron menu for everything, and so it was trying to read from. Press it, pick up. No, because oh no, dude. All I ever do for commissions mostly is like node development and stuff like that. I almost never use raw JavaScript and stuff. Yeah, this is like my better, more focused kind of work. Yeah. You can like add all kinds of different things here, and you can get rid of them and all that. Make a new map. Like this is what I do like on a professional level, and apparently the map did not create. It did create. I just need to make it refresh. But yeah, pretty cool. Fancy animations. That took a lot longer to do. I got so many projects though. I could like show you my custom language. Oh, I freelance. I'm trying to get a job. I can guarantee you I can pass whatever interview that they throw my way, like no matter what it requires. But because, well, actually that's not entirely true. Depends on how long they give me to study the subject, but yeah, but no one's even given me a chance. Like, I had one company that gave me a chance, but then like we had like a month-long interview with zero compensation, and that was a gigantic waste of my time. Especially because like the way that they were doing things, like no offense to them, but it was not ideal. It wasn't ideal at all. Like, hold on, let me see if I can pull up a thing here. Wait, do you program professionally? Okay, that needs to be a TS ignore because that is working. It's only giving a TS error because I don't have like other files open and it hasn't finished reading the things yet. But web development, I got you. Yeah, I do this stuff all the time, like for fun. It's just my hobby. It keeps me sane, but it also makes me insane. Okay, so what I have here is a pretty simple encryption algorithm. Let's see. So I hate that it scrolls when I zoom, but alright. I'll go ahead and start with this. It's a pretty easy algorithm, but you have a multi-dimensional key system. Ideally, it would be like on a flash drive, and like you would like read it only like specifically from the drive. So if it ever, like, in order to like steal it, you would actually still have to access the server, I guess, but whatever. Anyway, yeah, so you got your string and you got an iterator, you got the algorithm method, and you have garbage data to append. So if I node./out/main, so this right here will have become, let's see, how can I, well, anyway, you can see how it looks up here. This here became a buffer of a bunch of random garb. What's the matrix size? It doesn't use a yeah, no, you're good. Okay, so I'm just gonna get rid of the TypeScript part real quick. And I'm just gonna go over the standard JS part. Alright, so what it does, you have garbage data here. So you have a key. Let me zoom in. And you do, like, you have a string, which is basically the password. You have an iterator, which is how many times it iterates, which is how many times it repeats the algorithm, basically. You define the algorithm method, in this case 0, because that's the only one that I made, so. And you have garbage data that gets, like, randomly decided. The garbage data, though, you can actually get rid of, so I'm not gonna, it would actually make it easier for, well, not really. It just wouldn't make it any harder either, because they can just check for, like, the differences in the strings. But anyways, so yeah, you have those three things, and what it does is it iterates through the data that you're encrypting in a stringified format. It iterates through by the amount of iterator times that you set, and then the key lengths of the password, and then the length of the data, which is the thing that you're trying to encrypt. So after looping those three things, it then increases the index of the character, the text character, by I times the iterator. and then moduloed by the increment values dot length. And then you're taking the increment values, which is an unsigned 32-bit index integer array. Anyway, you're adding the index of that, which is k, which is the data len, by string.charcode at the increased index percent string.length. So, too long didn't read, the e here, whatever this index is, times, like, the iterator is, and then times I, which is the key length. So there's a lot of encryption going on with it, but it is pretty simple. It just sounds complicated. And then to decrypt, you just basically do the same thing. You got the encrypt method and the decrypt method. Kind of, yeah. It somewhat does, and I guess I never did make use of the garbage data, did I? Yeah, I did. And you have like another iterator down here that throws in some random trash data. And it's pretty cool. It's another one of those like little fun projects that I made, at some point. Which is why I know making this little fake OS thing is gonna be fun, dude. Drink some of my coke. Yeah, I'm a nerd. So like I do this kind of thing all the time. I just wish there was a company that would hire me, dude, because I have done some pretty interesting and fun things in the past. Hold on, let me show you. Okay, let me open up my old resume. Hold on. Now this is before I knew how to write it. This is my old info here. Too bad I don't still have that number. That'd be nice. But you know, because I had a lot of stuff tied to that number, and I actually ended up losing my Twitch account for a while because of it. And like, I messaged Twitch to get it back. Yeah. So I built this software here, which was for my old church back in Florida, and it was a presentation software. So it's kind of like how OBS, where you can like drag around elements, you can make elements and all that. I know. You live in Florida? Nice. If you're ever near Bradenton and you go to Oniko First Baptist Church, you can probably see this in action still. They might still be using it. But yeah, it can play video files. As you can see here, projection options. You can project a current scene, or you can load a movie, which they use to project music videos and stuff like that. And you can like configure everything. So that was like a lot of fun to make that one. But yeah, I dropped out in 11th grade, so that's why like nobody knows I really. Alright, sorry. No, not maximize. Now it's stuck in my head. Dagnabbit. No, I know. I know. I do need help with another resume, but yeah. I know. That's... Oh. I wish I knew a little bit more about it. But yeah, I would appreciate that, if you can help me with a resume. People come to you for resumes? That's awesome. So you have, like, your job is to, like, help people with resumes and stuff? I mean, itch.io/theunpropro. What? You wanna fight me? Golly, I got 3 more Oh, hello. Yeah. Let's see. This is another, like, one of my fun projects that I did. Why is... Oh, that's why. Because that's my drag. Okay. Switch fingers. So this is another thing that I made just for the fun of it. It's like a little video player that used Node WebKit or Electron. I can't remember which one. And it allowed you to play video like with artificial resolutions and color limits and stuff like that. So you can do like Game Boy. You can just stick with the color, or you can do the actual resolution as well. Like Game Boy Color right here. And it automatically, and you had like dithering options and stuff like that. It was fun. This is NES like with dithering, so you can actually see it a little bit more. This is Genesis Mega Drive. Yeah, it was another fun project. I just did mine after doing research and I'm gonna find out I nailed it. Hardcore. Yeah, that'd be awesome. Do you have me on Discord? Well, here, just email me here. If not, I can't even remember who I have on Discord anymore. No, yeah, you do have me on Discord, I think, right? I don't know. Anyway, yeah, email me there and we'll talk. Now, let's see. Nobody knows who I am. I got you. We've already been live for an hour? What? Well, that was a giant waste, but that's okay. At least, you know, we got something figured out that needed to be figured out. I wanted to. Like, I always wanted to play D&D, but, like, I never knew how. And, like, I'm too dang nervous to, like, really get into D&D. But, yeah, no, I'd be interested, but I would... You would need to be, like, teaching an absolute beginner. Like, I get the D numbers, like, D12, I think there's a D60 even, right? Like a 60-sided die. But, yeah, I would be absolutely fresh. I'm gonna make a little alias here. Okay. Element, document, create element, D. Const, it says no data. Oh, they're right. Cool. Yeah, that'd be interesting. It'd be fun to finally get into it. No, I do. Alright. When equals... I'll just do container equals this, div, container dot class list dot add, window. Yeah, we'll just have a window class. And I will always contemplate. Okay, document.body.append child window dot. This is jank, but I just need to. Nah, okay, you know what? Const window equals new window. Yeah, new window. Title. Hee. Button. What? Gamepad button? Oh, that's a thing now? Interesting. don't know why I just didn't name it window. Anyway. I was hoping it would update the IntelliSense there, but it didn't. Button mode. 0. And if I am keeping me strong. I'll clean this up later. I say we just move on to Octopath Traveler for a bit. Octopath Traveler 2. Body, pen, child, window, dot, DID, or container. Let's see. Link rel equals style sheet. Type equals text.css. href equals style.css. Oops. Main FG. No, we'll do like 222. Yeah, we'll do 1 and then main FG shadow 0px 0px 1 pixel. That my friendly genocide suggestion was rejected. Wait, what? Hold on. I must see this. Also, Haku, what up? Yeah, we're about to be switching to Octopath Traveler 2, because I am now bored of coding. Okay, can I open like Discord not on the other? Yes, I can. Okay. Hold on a moment here. I shall see what you suggested about the genocide. Ah. Oh, stream teaching element. That I can do. Yeah, that'd be fun. Teaching a super new question. Something favorite hard one. Then again, it depends on if it wants to open now. It, for some reason, it doesn't like to open unless I'm running KDE. Earlier comment? Wait. It didn't show up for me. Yeah, this is the only thing that I got. Goes all the way back here. Hagu, YouTube is being mean to you. Can you copy and paste it again? Alright, so... yeah, I always get a segment fault, like unless I'm running on KDE Plasma for some reason. So it's like, alright, whatever. Why is the button not a button? Okay, let me go back to the emerald decoration here now that I know that that wasn't causing my issue earlier. I'm curious, can I run it if I run emerald? I doubt it. Also, I think it's because I'm using also, because if I do LMMS, it's gonna tell me you can't do sudo, but allow root. No? just triggered censorship. Oh, maybe. Oh, too nervous to start D&D. You mentioned like something genocide-ish. Yeah, it probably just censored it because of dumb YouTube-ness. So yeah, I'm gonna play Octopath Traveler 2 for a little bit, and then I will stream, or not. Well, I might stream it, or if not, I'll just call you and like I'll go over. No, it still didn't send. Yeah, it's getting censored out. Send it to me on Discord.